President Trump's latest trade threats spark a fresh tariff sell-off. It's Monday, the 14th of July, and this is what you need to know. A cautious start to the week for traders as President Trump once again dialed up trade tensions. He threatened to pose a 30% tariff on goods of the two largest trading partners of the US, the EU and Mexico, beginning on August 1st. The EU said it will delay its plan to hit the US with countermeasures in hopes of gaining a deal, making the next 3 weeks crucial. The euro fell to a 3-week low earlier Monday as German Chancellor Friedrich Merz warned that the 30% levy would hit the nation's industry to the core. Let's look at Bitcoin, our chart of the day. It crossed $120,000 for the first time ever, marking a major milestone for the world's largest cryptocurrency. The token rose on the back of anticipation for Crypto Week, where US lawmakers are expected to debate and possibly vote on key crypto legislation. The surge in Bitcoin, which has been up 29% over the year so far, has sparked a broader rally in smaller tokens over the past few sessions. Our number of the day is $586 billion. That's the record trade surplus reported by China in the first half of the year. Exports to the US have stabilised as factories have rode out the tariff rollercoaster that upended global trade. GDP figures due out on Tuesday are tipped to show the economy is still moving along, above the government's still soft 5% growth target. Reuters sources reported that the Bank of Japan will consider revising up its inflation forecasts when it meets later this month. The bank is expected to keep its interest rates on hold at 0.5% when it meets on the 31st of July, but food-related prices are rising more than expected. Japanese bonds tumbled on Monday over concerns about fiscal spending. The nation's upper house election has prompted caution, where polls suggest that the ruling coalition may struggle. President Trump is expected to announce a new plan to arm Ukraine on Monday that may include offensive weapons. He said on Sunday that he will be sending Patriot air defense missiles to Ukraine, but warned that a major statement is due on Russia today. Sending offensive weapons would be a major shift for President Trump, who so far has only committed defensive weapons to avoid escalating the conflict. And that's what you need to know this morning.